Hi everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Thank you for joining me for day 23 of the Missouri Star Quilt Company's Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. So yesterday we got the template here and the pattern. I haven't made it yet. I haven't even pulled the plastic or the film off the back of this yet, but I do intend to do that today, so I will show you that tomorrow. Okay, so today's a little bit of a mystery. I don't know what this is. It's in some sort of packaging, so let's open it up and see. Oh, okay, very practical. These are rotary blade refills. Okay, and let's see, fits all rotary blade handles. It's a 45 millimeter. If you watch any of my other stories, you know that I buy these in bulk, and I usually only buy the OmniGrid kind. So I'll try them, you know, I'm pretty brand loyal when it comes to that, but we'll see. We'll see what they're like. This is a 2-pack, and it also comes in a 5-pack, it says in the back. So this is by Missouri Star Quilt Company. Yeah, I'll give it a shot. I'll see what I think about this. It's always good to have rotary blades. I like this. It's not as fun as some other things, but I do like it, and it is a good practical gift. Okay, so let's see what tomorrow's is. And tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Can you believe it? Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I can't believe it. This is soft. Hopefully it's fabric. Maybe it's fabric. Let's hope it's fabric. I'm not sure what it is, but we will find out tomorrow when we open this up. Okay, so let's move on to the Kringles. This is day 11, and it is this stair-step type block. Let me get that out of the way so you can see it. And let's see, I'll show you the template. So it's a small skinny one. And again, this is one of those where they put other templates with it, and it's cute. It's really cute. It would be really cute on point. Now that I see it on camera, that would be really cute. So that is that, and it is fun. They're cute. They'll be cute put together. I might be doing a mini quilt out of them. I'm not sure exactly, but I probably will finish them. At one point I wasn't going to. I was just gonna probably either donate them or throw them out, actually. I thought about it because I hated them so much. But like I said before, I'm coming around to them. They're getting a little bit better. So as always, thank you for joining me today. I hope you're taking some time to sew during this hectic season, and I will see you tomorrow for the unwrapping of the Christmas Eve gift. Have a great day, and make sure you take some time to sew. Bye.